I'm Cheryl Estevilo and I'm here to show you how to set up your AB+2 fixed Promethean board. To begin, let's take a look at the hardware. With this mounted setup, you have your Promethean active board, an orange or silver PRM20 projector with remote, and an active pen. You also have speakers that are mounted on both sides of the board. To set up and connect your computer, let's take a look at the input-output box found on the side of the board. There are 3 cords that you should plug in. The VGA cord, which connects your computer to the projector, the USB cord, which connects your computer to the board, and the audio cable, which will connect you to the speakers. Plug the ends of these 3 cords into the ports of your computer. If you are working with a Mac, note that you will need an adapter for your VGA cord. Now that you have the cords plugged in, the next step you'll want to do is to power on your projector. Use your remote control to turn your projector on. If you don't see your computer display on the board, Windows users will want to use the function keys, and Mac users will select mirror displays on their display settings. The software that you will be using is called Active Inspire. If you do not have the software installed on your computer, please refer to our How to Download and Install handout. Once you have everything hooked up and installed on your computer, the next step that you'll want to do is to calibrate your board. If you notice, when I put my pen to the board, the arrow is a couple of inches off. You want to align your pen with the arrow tip. To calibrate your board, simply hover your active pen to this white flame up at the top left corner. When I'm hovering, I'm getting very close, but I'm not touching the flame. Notice that it turns a little red. After a couple of seconds, you'll hear a faint beep. This screen will now pop up. So go ahead and follow the directions. Click on the surface to begin. And then now you're going to click in the center of these 5 crosshairs that appear, 1 on each corner and 1 here on the left side. Now when I put my pen to the board, notice how my arrow is right on point. Now that we have everything set up, our Active Inspire software installed, and our board calibrated, we are ready to use the software. Go ahead and open up Active Inspire. And the first screen that you'll see is the dashboard. The dashboard gives us access to different options. Create a new flip chart, open a flip chart, or open an existing flip chart. We're going to go ahead and create a new flip chart. Now here on the right is my main toolbar. I'm going to go ahead and select the pen tool, and I can annotate on the board. If I want to erase, I'm going to simply select my eraser tool, and I can erase my annotations.